Hi, this is the Realme 11 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google Assistant option on this device. So let's first launch the Google app and then tap on the right upper corner. Go to the settings and tap to voice section. Click to voice match and to activate Hey Google option, click on the switcher. Then just tap to more I agree, and say okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then just tap to next, not now, and we could see that the Hey Google successfully enabled. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.